Yes, real estate takes me everywhere. I'm Britta Becker, the host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa Bay, and your luxury real estate agent right here in Tampa. I am at Beach Place at Longboat Key right here in Sarasota. Stick around because you're going to hear from a long-time, all-year-round resident. Well, hello, Barbara. Hello, Cindy.
Hello.
You are my local residents, just an FYI. Barbara, what do you absolutely love about being here in Sarasota, particularly at this place?
I love the condominium life itself. I love the beaches, restaurants, and all the places to go shopping. And I love being here because my daughter, that I love very much, is here. That's too much love.
A lot of love, and yes. I've been wanting to ask this question, but you have firsthand experience and knowledge of this. Barbara, what's the vibe like? Is it any different when the Snowbirds go home?
It's much different. There's less traffic. On Longboat Key, there's a bridge at both ends, and it's very easy to get off and on going into Sarasota. The restaurants are less crowded. Everything slows down to a slow pace. It's
Probably why you live here.
Yes, and it's easier to get to my daughter who I love.
For someone thinking or considering moving to Sarasota right here in this area, what's one thing, Barbara, that you think that they should know?
I think you'd be surprised that it's very expensive living here.
Well, good. Is there any money left over for the daughter that you love so much? What do you think is one thing that people should know living here in Sarasota?
It's a smaller community. It's not like being in Tampa where the traffic is super bad, and it's easier to get from one place to another. There's a lot of stores, a lot of restaurants. If you like to thrift, there's some really great thrift stores here. And you're closer to the beach. I'm 20 minutes from the beach. And there's a very convenient airport that's easy to get in and out of.
Well, that's a huge, huge advantage for all these folks living here in Sarasota. So that's it, everybody. That's a wrap. And thank you so much for joining me. Bye. I'll see you around, maybe on the beach.